All right, everybody, I am back again with some more boat repair. So sit back, relax, and follow along. So on this boat here that just came in, it looks like it was rubbing up against some rocks. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna patch this floor and put a patch on the bottom of this nice abrasion. And then we'll flip the boat over and do a patch on the inside. As you guys can see, I set up a couple milk crates here. I just laid some cardboard down. I'm gonna line it up so that I have a nice flat working surface to work on when we do this floor repair. So let's start off here, making sure that these freshly cut patches will fit. And of course they do. So there's one to fix the tube abrasion. And then let's see. Does this one cover it all? There we go. See, covers this all nice. We're gonna wipe down the surfaces now with some MEK or acetone, so our masking tape will stick nicely and won't fall off. After you've got everything all masked off, use your sander to sand everything down and prep the surfaces for the glue application. Alright, so now that we've got everything all sanded down, masked off, ready for the glue application, let's give it one last wipe and install these patches. Here's a tech tip for you guys. With your brushes, if you're doing patches, it's best to cut them down a bit. So then this way it's easier to put a nice thin layer of glue when you do your glue application. Remember to follow the manufacturer's directions when applying the glue and the waiting times between each layer. Once you have the patch ready to install and the glue has cured between its waiting times, start off on the longest edge and start pushing its way out to reduce any chances of air bubbles. Use a hard roller tool or a blunt edge spatula to press down and get as much pressure down on that new patch that you just installed. Once you've got your patches all installed and you're sure that everything has gone good, remove the masking tape so it doesn't stick there and get permanently glued on, and flip the boat over it and start on the inside patch. Alright, so now that I've got the bolts all flipped over here, I've got that damaged spot on the hull here, or the floor, all masked off to do the inner support patch. As you can see, we're going to have it go right up to the floor seam there. So we're just going to repeat the process for this side and get everything all sanded down and ready for this patch installation. So using our MEK or acetone, we're going to wipe down the surfaces a couple more times to remove any oils or greases that still might be left, so we can get optimal use and adhesion with our glue. So once again, we're going to follow the manufacturer's directions for the glue application here and wait between each layer so we can have optimal adhesion with the patch installation. Alright, so now that we've got the patch and the damaged area all laid out with the glue, we're just going to wait for the manufacturer's specifications for the waiting time, and then we're going to install this patch. Alright, so we're going to let that all cure now, and then after we will give it a quick little spray down to make sure there's no water leaking through it. But with such a big surface area of a patch, water's not going to leak through it, so. But it's always good to double check, make sure there isn't any other little leaks in the floor and stuff. But other than that, let's just wait a bit here and then we'll come back. Alright, so we're on the next day. Let's spray down this floor, make sure she's not leaking, give it a quick bath, and send her out the door. As you can see, her patch is not leaking anymore. Well, there you have it, folks. Another boat ready to hit the water. The patch is all holding out as I knew it would. So yeah, this one's ready to go. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure you hit that like button if you're enjoying what you're seeing here. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Stay safe and happy boating, everybody.